Hello everyone, I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the switch on your ceiling fan. For this job you're going to need a couple different things. For this job you will need a pair of wire strippers, electrical tape, and wire nuts. First thing you want to do is go ahead and remove the old switch. Next, you're going to take and snip the wires. Then go ahead and strip it about a half of an inch down. Now you're going to take your wire nuts and your new switch and wire them back together. Now, with this one, our colors match up. Not all of them have the same color code, so you're going to have to follow the instructions that's for your specific switch. And since this isn't a fan, we're going to take our electrical tape and go ahead and tape each wire nut. That way, with the vibration of the fan, they aren't going to work their way loose. You don't have to go overboard on the tape, just about a 2 to 3 inch piece. And all you're doing is trying to keep the vibration down. So I try to hit the bottom half of the wire nut and then just a little bit of the wire itself. Now we're going to take and push it back through the hole here. Take our cap. And there you have it. That's how you can replace the switch on your ceiling fan. I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors. Thanks for watching and good luck with this project.